Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground until the day I die. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry.
got a teaching job, but I ain't expecting much. 2 5 girls were on my pee-pee and they giving me the suck. All of this is new to me, I haven't felt a woman's touch, but now I'm feeling like a Chad, licking all up in their butts. Like 1 2 3 4 5, all these girls are gonna be mine. Got a steady paying job and these quintuplets on my line. Sipping for these titty bitties, they got massive goddamn titties. Finna kiss up on their thick ass thighs and give those things a hickey, yeah.
Yotsuba the best, yeah, she's the GOAT. Got a 0 on her test, how I don't know. Have to tutor her well, to keep her afloat. 727 p because of a choke.
Ayy, letting Nino abuse me, slap me in the face like she was tryna be Bruce Lee. Tryna suck them toes cause they be looking hella juicy. Barking on my knees, I just want her to choose me. Hey, Nino's armpits looking juicy, tryna get a leg. Whisper when you see it in her ear, now she want my kids. Hella down bad, I do anything to squeeze them tits. Feeling like I'm Kariyu playing Osu, sipping for these chicks.
Sipping for these chicks, there's only one, her name is Miku. Oil up her titties, now her clothes is fucking see-through. Came so much I died, they put my ass on chubby emu. Still I cannot lie, only simple Unirisu. Full cocking that bitch, her ass ascension to heaven. Ichi could really be a treat, I gotta teach her a lesson. She throw it back, I jump on a shit like my name probably will Stetson. And when I'm finished streaming, I probably go back to depression. I need some help.
So I just read the manga, and the one who wins is...
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again I Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. A little less 25. A little less, little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 20. A little less 25.